Sana Rashia Begum, Department of Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, PS Abdul Rahman, Present Institute of Science and Technology. I thank the organization for giving me the opportunity to learn Red Hat Linux. It is very useful for me, and I learned few things, how to install and how to work in cloud environment. I thank the instructor sir, Mani sir. He helped us very well and explained solved our queries also. I thank Madam.